Yeah, keto ones. Okay, so I found this recipe to be super cool. I mean, they're pretty much a 2-ingredient chicken nugget, but officially they're Chinese style chicken gluten balls is what they're called. But I mean, all you have to do is customize the seasoning and you can have a variety of tastes and flavors, and they are so easy to put together and super duper fast. So let me show you. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, for this recipe, I would recommend that you have a food processor. But other than that, follow along and see how fast this is. All right, so I have 2 chicken breasts here that I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut up into a little bit smaller pieces just so they're easier to process in the processor. And of course, I'm gonna add these to the food processor. And then to this, I'm going to add 2 egg whites. And now we're gonna season them. And I'm adding a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then S&P to taste. And there you go. So we're just gonna go ahead and process this until everything is well combined and a sort of paste forms. Now I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl just to make the next part easier. And what we're going to do is we're going to form these into balls. So what you can do is you can just use like a tablespoon measure or a small cookie scoop, but I like to just do this by hand. And we're going to place these onto a baking sheet, or if you'd like, you can just drop these directly into the frying oil. Perfect. Now I have some oil here at 350 degrees that I'm going to drop in a few of the chicken balls and get them fried up. Now just know that the chicken balls are going to float relatively quickly, but do not be fooled. They are going to take a little bit longer to fry. The best indication for that is the color is gonna kind of deepen to a golden brown, and that's how you'll know. You can also just slice one open just to make sure that it's fully cooked as well. And then you just set these aside on a wire rack to drain. And you're all set. You can toss these in your favorite sauce, like a buffalo sauce, for example. Or you can toss these into like your favorite keto Asian style sauce as well. Or you can just take them and dip them into your favorite sauce, just like chicken nuggets. And you're set. You've got deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below what you think of this recipe, how fast it is, how easy it is, and if you're gonna give it a try to find out how super delicious it is. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.